Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a update here on Organigram. I've talked about them a couple times here on the past in the channel, and just like everything else, it's down. Looks like it's down, I was going to say a little bit over 50%, but this is Organigram, ticker OGI. I'll link my other videos in the description so you can watch those as well. And as you can see, in the last year, down over, we'll just call it 65%. In the last 3 months, down over 38%. In the last month, it's down over 8%. Here in the last week, it's green like some of the other ones. Could have got in there the 92-93 cent range and had a decent run up. And here's a look at what it's doing today. So it's falling back down. So tested that level in the dollar and cents, and maybe it's going to come back up here. We'll just have to wait and watch and see. But like I said, I've covered this one a couple times. It's in the production and sale of medical MJ, focused on producing MJ for patients and adult recreational consumers. Firm brands include adult recreational and medicinal or medical. Founded in 2010. Market cap of $326 million, high today of $1.12, low of $1.03, 52-week high of $3.13, and low of we'll just call it 90 cents, pretty much 91 cents. Average volume of 1.75 million and volume of 1.14 million. Not the greatest ratings on this one. That's pretty much what I'm doing with them all, is holding at a 58% rating. Next earnings on July 12th, and here you can see where I bought mine a little bit over a year ago. Looks like I was buying it at $3.05, so I still have it. It's in another brokerage. I transferred everything out of Robinhood in regards to a job that I was with, and so still not on Robinhood. I don't know if I'll go back to them or not. Still using their platform, still got the history and everything. So over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a buy, dropping fast, down 4.5%. Previous close price was $1.09. Didn't find a whole lot of information on this, but what I did, of course, isn't too great of info. It's kind of negative, but if you're in Organigram, you might want to watch and see what I have here, but I still have it. So proposed settlement reached in 2016 class action. This is dated on June 23rd. So the leading licensed producer, MJ in Canada, has reached a proposed settlement and a previously disclosed class action related to medical MJ that was voluntarily recalled in December of 2016 and January 2017. Supreme Court of Nova Scotia approved a notice of settlement will be sent to class members beginning on June 24th of 2022. As part of the settlement, they have agreed to pay aggregate of $2,310,000. The settlement amount, which amount has been previously accrued in the company's financial statements for the prior fiscal year. And I'm not going to read this whole article to you. It's just basically going over. It looks like it's pretty much done for the most part, but again, they're focused on producing high-quality MJ for patients and adult recreational consumers, as well as developing international business partnerships to extend the company's global footprint. So, whether it's a good company or not, I don't have a whole lot wrapped up into this company, although I am down probably over 50%, but just still holding it. So the whole sector as a whole, I'm down, so just holding them. It's a long-term hold for myself, but if you want to read the rest of that, feel free to pause and go over that for yourself. Moving on here, Organigram Holdings Incorporated stock gained on Friday, so this would be last Friday, the 24th. Shares closed at $1.37 after opening the day at $1.28. It traded at a low of $1.28 to a high of $1.38. Price boosted 5.38% from the previous day close to of $1.30. Today across North America, the composite closed. The S&P closed at 0.95% at 3,795.73. And Organigrams has listed on the TSX stock exchange under the ticker OGI.TO if you're on that exchange. So it just kind of goes over some of the information that we already went over, so feel free to pause and go over that. Moving on over here to Reddit. Here's the scoop. Back in 2017, I invested in 3 initial MJ companies, OGI, Aurora, and which is now Oxley. I've talked about all these. I haven't checked Oxley in a while, but I know OGI is down. I'm majorly down in Aurora due to the reverse merger. I think I'm down like 96 or 97%. It's like a cost basis of $50. Not much other information in here other than what we've already went over. Here on StockTwits, currently at $1.04. 52-week low of 91 cents, high of 313. Market cap of 341.92 million, and not a whole lot of volume on this one, just over $1 million. Want their money back this morning. So like I said, these are all long-term hold. I'm in the red on all of them, so I'm not going to sell them. And although a lot of them are getting tempted to buy some more, so I just did a video on Tilray in the last week, just did one on CGC today. Cresco Labs just did one, probably due for one on Cron, so if you want to see one on that, I'll be turning that one out here eventually as well. No other information in there. Over here on Emerson Money, currently showing that as a buy with an upside to $2.95, so you'd be doubling your money there. So it might take a while, but who knows when that double will happen. But that's all that I have on OGI. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.